In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting this Roblox failed to download or apply critical changes error. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon and then select task manager from the list. Now in the task manager window, you will first need to find Roblox game client. If it appears on the list, you can also search for it using the search menu. Once you find it, simply right click on it and then select end task. Once you have done this, simply right click on the start icon again and this time select run. Now here you will need to type in %local app data % and then hit OK. Now here in the file explorer window, open the Roblox folder. Select all the files inside this and then click on this trash icon to delete them. Once you have deleted the Roblox folder, right click on the start icon and then select terminal admin from the list. Now in the terminal admin window that appears, you will need to run a few commands. So you need to copy each of these commands one by one and then paste them here and then hit enter. So I'll leave these commands in the description so you can copy them from there. Once you have run all these commands, simply restart your PC. After that, what you need to do is open up any web browser and then head to Roblox. Now sign into your account if you haven't already. Now click on any game and then try to launch it from here. Now it will ask you to open Roblox, so simply click on open. And then it will ask you to download the Roblox since we have just uninstalled it. So simply download Roblox and then run this installer file to install Roblox. Once you do this, you should no longer see any errors and you should be able to play Roblox without any problems. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.